how to invest in crypto Robinhood. Now, investing in cryptocurrency through Robinhood is a straightforward process, ideal for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and commission-free trades. Now, here's how you could actually do it. So, first of all, you want to download the application on your device. After which, you want to provide your personal information and complete the sign-up procedure. As you've done it, so you want to connect your you want to go ahead and connect your bank account to transfer the funds. Next field, you want to transfer money into your Robinhood account to make available buying power for crypto purchase. After you've actually done it, so now it's time for you to buy cryptocurrency. So in the app, you want to tap on the search icon and type in the name of the asset or cryptocurrency that you're interested in. So here I'm gonna go ahead and type in. When you do it, so you want to click on the search bar and then go ahead and look for it. Then you want to tap the desired cryptocurrency to view its detail and click on buy options at the bottom. When you do it, so then tap the buy option once again, input the amount or exact amount of USD you wish to invest on. Next thing, you want to review the transaction details and swipe up to confirm your order. Now then, you have to manage your crypto portfolio. That means track the performance of your crypto asset within the app. Then to sell, navigate to the cryptocurrency, tap sell, enter the amount and confirm the transactions as well. Now, Robinhood allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum to and from external wallet, and that is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.